Good morning, everyone. Natasha here, and around my home today I am in the kitchen and I have 5 minutes on my timer. I am getting ready to head out the door to go to work soon, and I wanted to make sure that I get this mess cleaned up before I go. So hopefully you saw my video. I think it's going up today, and you'll see this one tomorrow maybe anyway. Earlier this week I posted about just how I'm keeping up with my Mrs. Dunwoody One Habit in May challenge of trying to keep the kitchen picked up and the house generally picked up before I leave each day when I have things going on or before I kind of start my day. And I will tell you that, I don't know, I just feel like this week is hard, and it's only Tuesday, but I'm trying to just keep pushing through and not dwell on it too much. So this morning I was feeling sort of defeated, just like, oh, there's just mess everywhere and I have so much to do and my list is so long and whine. And I thought, okay, just do something, quit whining about it. So today's Tuesday, so I try to wash our towels and rugs from the bathroom on Tuesday, the main bathroom that we all use. So I thought as soon as I got home from dropping my daughter off from school, I threw those in the wash. And while I was in that, our laundry, we have laundry on the main floor in our master bathroom, and that's the one we mostly use as a family. And so when I was in that bathroom putting the towels and the rugs in the wash, I thought, well, heck, I might as well do my good swish and swipe in here. So I usually keep up with like keeping the counter wiped of, sink splatters. Things look nice and tidy, but I don't do a good swish and swipe with actual cleaning products more than a couple times a week. And I hadn't done it for a few days, so I thought, okay, just get the rag out, get the cleaning spray out, get the toilet brush out, and do it real fast. And it did only take me maybe 5 minutes, I guess 7 if you count. I did a good thorough wipe down on the inside of the shower. We squeegee it every time we use it, but about once a week I try to get in there again with my natural cleaning products of vinegar and the Jordan Essentials resistance spray and water. That's all I use, but it just gets the soap scum kind of wiped down, and we have hard water, so any of the hard water stains that are starting to build up, I get those wiped down. Everything's shiny and it looks good. And what I have found is if I can do at least half of my master bath cleanup in the morning, when I get home from work, what's left is to and I'm going to try and put the towels in the dryer before I leave. I think they're almost done. So the towels will already be dry. Towels and rugs will be dry. So all I have to do is get the vacuum and the steam mop out and just vacuum the bathroom and our bedrooms real fast, and then steam mop the bathroom. And then that whole half of the house is done, and I feel like, we can go to bed with a nice clean bathroom. I even folded the corner of the TP because I just like to do that when I clean, and it makes me feel like the next time I come in there to use it, it's, so fancy and someone did this for me, even though I did it for myself. But that's the way it works, isn't it? You just give yourself the little gift of coming into a clean room. So anyway, I've talked too long. Let's get to cleaning. So I'm going to put my timer on. I'm kind of on a roll, so I'm going to keep going with it. So we have breakfast things, which I was trying to get us to clean them up, get my daughter to help me clean them up before we left, but we were running late and it was just time to go. So that has not been done yet, but that will happen soon. We have all kinds of things that need to go back in her room. So there's that. Did I start my timer? I can't even remember. Yes, it's running. Okay. Very good. This goes in here. So you'll have to let me know in the comments how you've been doing with your One Habit challenge so far. Today is the 7th. I now know the date, and we are moving right along with the month. So whether you're ready or not, it's coming. And just trying to do a little bit of something definitely helps me feel like I'm not falling as far behind as I thought I would. So that is what I keep telling myself. I think the Fly Lady says, hit a lick at a snake, which is a southern saying that I have heard a little bit in my life, but never quite understood. I mean, I think I get it, but I don't hear it enough to go, oh yeah, absolutely. I just think it's cute. All right, almost done with the dishes and random stuff. And actually, it's looking like the dishwasher could be run. So I think I'll do that before I head out. That taken care of as well. Water going. This goes in her room. This goes in her room. Okay, and water's hot. Start that. Just gonna do a quick scrub of my sink. Wipe down the water from cleaning out the coffee pot so that everything looks nice when we get back home. Okay, just a couple more things. We got a little bit of our blueberry tea cake left. Oh, this goes in the dishwasher. So I made a blueberry tea cake this weekend, which is one of my favorite recipes. If you want me to share, let me know. And it's basically like a really good blueberry muffin recipe, but you make it in a pan, so it's a cake. Okay, this goes to the library, this goes to my husband. So put that away when I come home. And these go in, whoop, that goes there. This goes in the pantry. I'm almost done. Did I stop? There we go. And last two things of my daughter's. And while I'm at it, I'm going to get a clean towel. All right, and that is, things are looking in much better shape, and I have 7 seconds. All right, so there we go. There's a just quick 5-minute kitchen cleanup. There it is. Now I feel like I can leave for work, come home knowing I've gotten a good start on things this morning, and I won't be bombarded with the stuff I didn't finish before I left, and hopefully have a great day. So wherever you are, I hope you're enjoying a good one, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and you can see more of the Mrs. Dunwoody series and just my general house cleaning, organizing, trying to keep up with mom life series, or channel I guess I should say. And what else? Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Oh, and I should have my Joyful Jordan May unboxing out now, so if you haven't seen that, go check that out too. All right, thanks for joining me, and have a good one. Bye-bye.